Hello, glad you are back and welcome to Bonnie Games. By the end of this video, you're going to be able to create your own levels using Tilemaps. Watch this video to the end to get a helpful tip. To create a tile map, right-click on the hierarchy, 2D, tile map, rectangular. As you can see, we also have isometric and hexagonal tile maps, but for today, we'll deal with rectangular. I'm going to name mine ground tiles. As you can see, a grid is formed. Don't worry, this is where you'll be placing your tile to create grounds, background, platforms, etc. Okay, the next thing we're going to need is a tile palette. Click Windows, 2D Tile Palette. This will create a tile palette window. So I'm going to dock it near the inspector like this. There we go. As you can see, I have an already made tile set I got from a Unity asset store. So what we're going to do now is create a new tile palette. Click Create New Palette. Give a name. I'm going to call mine Ground Tile Palette. You can specify the cell size if necessary. Then click Create and locate the folder for your tile palette. As you can see, they are telling us to drag tiles or sprites here. So what we're going to do is go to the project panel, browse for our tiles, and drag and drop them to the tile palette. Okay, now I have a boulder rock, something like that. Now all we have to do is grab a tile and place on the grid to design whatever it is we are making. I'm making a platform to walk on. As you can see, there are different drawing tools to use. We have a simple brush tool, a box tool to fill larger area, an eraser to delete tiles, a dropper, and different fill tools. Okay, the only problem now is we have to select tiles individually to finish up our level. Don't worry, there is a solution to this, and that is rule tiles. So what are rule tiles? By the way, you can hold Shift to delete tiles. So rule tiles are like a simpler way of using tile maps to design levels. This is because they automatically arrange themselves on the grid. All you have to do is assign rules to the respective tiles. Okay, so to create rule tiles, right-click on the project panel, click Create 2D Tiles Rule Tile. I'm going to call it Ground Tiles. Right-click the tile, and in the inspector, you'll see that they are asking you to choose a default sprite. This is optional, but I'm going to put one. Now here comes the fun part. Right-click the plus sign to add a new tile rule. Choose the sprite for the tile. For the first one we're going to need is the top right corner tile. Okay, observe carefully. The cross means no tile can be placed here, and the tick means there could be tiles here. Now this will be the top left corner tile. You see what I mean? Okay, repeat the same step for the remaining tiles. Just click Add, not Duplicate, and provide rules to the remaining tiles. Okay, now that we are done, drag and drop the rule tile to the tile palette. And let's decorate our scene. See? Easy peasy. Quick tip, you can add Tilemap Collider 2D component from the inspector. You can also add another tile map in the same grid and change the sorting layer to create background tiles. There, done. Quick pro tip. Subscribe to my channel to get newer lessons each week. Have a nice game dev.